Welcome to GearFlux Garage, where we deliver the sharpest analysis on new automotive releases. Today, we turn our attention to one of Europe's best-selling crossovers, the completely redesigned 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc. We're diving into its new high-quality interior, evolved design language, and game-changing electrified powertrains. Volkswagen has been listening. The polarizing touch-only controls of past models are officially gone. The 2026 T-Roc sheds its cheap interior plastics for a truly high-quality cabin, featuring a massive new 13-inch infotainment screen and, crucially, the return of physical buttons on the steering wheel and dedicated controls for volume and climate. This leap in material quality and usability fundamentally transforms the T-Roc from a cheeky crossover into a genuine premium contender. The T-Roc competes in the popular subcompact or compact crossover segment, challenging rivals globally like the Nissan Qashqai and Ford Puma. Its target audience seeks European design, driving composure, and now a premium high-tech experience without stepping into Audi territory. The main highlights are the advanced MQB Evo platform, new mild hybrid powertrains, the vastly improved interior, and a sharper, more mature aesthetic. The 2026 T-Roc is an evolution, not a revolution, retaining its distinctive coupe-like rear end while gaining 122 millimeters in overall length. It adopts Volkswagen's latest family design, starting with a sharper aesthetic and more angular headlights. Crucially, the front features a narrow main grille line with an LED light strip that connects the headlights and frames an illuminated VW badge, a premium signature from higher-class VW models. The silhouette retains its elevated waistline and characteristic C-pillar design. New wheel options go up to a massive 20 inches on the R-Line and R variants, emphasizing its dynamic stance. At the rear, the biggest change is the adoption of a full-width LED tail light bar that connects the redesigned rear clusters, a visual cue that brings it in line with the new Tiguan and Golf. The increased length also contributes to a significantly improved drag coefficient of 0.29. The interior transformation is the T-Roc's key selling point. The old dash is replaced by a sophisticated, layered design, capped by a soft padded material and faux metal accents to reduce glare and increase perceived quality. The driver gets a larger, standard 10.4-inch digital cockpit behind a steering wheel featuring real, tactile buttons. Center stage is the new MIB4 infotainment system displayed on a standard 10.4-inch screen or an optional 12.9-inch unit. This system includes a permanent climate control strip at the bottom and integrates ChatGPT into the voice assistant. Comfort is enhanced with an available 14-way electrically adjustable ergo-active seat with a massage function. Furthermore, a windscreen head-up display is offered for the first time. Thanks to the increased dimensions, luggage space grows by 30 liters to 475 liters, making it much more family-friendly. The 2026 T-Roc is built on the advanced MQB Evo platform, signaling a clear shift towards electrification. Manual gearboxes are phased out entirely. The volume engines are the 1.5-liter eTSI mild hybrid units available in 116 horsepower or 85 kilowatts and 150 horsepower or 110 kilowatts tunes. These 48-volt systems use a belt-driven starter alternator to provide a quick 19 horsepower boost and improve efficiency, delivering quiet, economical performance. For performance buyers, a 2.0-liter TSI mild hybrid with 4-motion all-wheel drive will follow, and the powerful T-Roc R with around 295 horsepower is confirmed. Critically, Volkswagen will later introduce a new full hybrid drivetrain with the 1.5-liter engine, marking its first full hybrid, not mild or plug-in, since the 2010s.
Acceleration for the 150 horsepower mild hybrid is estimated in the high 8-second range for the 0 to 62 mile/hour sprint, with excellent mileage expected from the full hybrid system. The trim structure has been streamlined, likely including Life, Style, and R-Line. Official starting prices for the mild hybrid 1.5 eTSI are confirmed to start near €30,845 in Germany. Based on this, the entry-level price is expected to be around £30,000 in the UK. The best value is likely the Style trim. It bundles the crucial IQ Light LED matrix headlights, the larger digital instrument cluster, and unlocks premium options like the massage seats and head-up display, delivering the majority of the premium feel for a manageable price increase. The 2026 T-Roc faces tough competition from the segment's heavy hitters, the Nissan Qashqai, the Ford Puma, and the Toyota CHR. The T-Roc stands out by far with its new interior quality and premium technology, particularly the available 12.9-inch screen and features like the head-up display and Park Assist Pro. It truly feels like a scaled-down Audi Q3. However, the T-Roc falls short in its base engine power compared to some rivals, and the Ford Puma is widely considered more engaging and fun to drive. The Toyota CHR still dominates with its proven full hybrid system and exceptional fuel economy from launch. A full hybrid T-Roc will arrive later. The VW is the new benchmark for cabin tech and sophistication. Pre-sales for the new 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc have already begun in Europe, with the market launch scheduled for November 2025. UK order books are expected to open in early 2026. This is a European-focused model, remaining unavailable in the North American market. The 2026 T-Roc has transformed its interior and sharpened its tech to become a true premium challenger. Pros: class-leading cabin quality, sophisticated mild hybrid systems, and massive digital displays. Cons: base engine is merely adequate, and the full hybrid system is not available at launch. Will this be your next compact crossover? Tell us your favorite new feature in the comments. If you want more expert analysis, hit the like button, subscribe to GearFlux Garage, and we'll see you in the next review.